If you don't sow, you don't reap. You don't even have a chance.
Thank you for tuning in once again. I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy. All right, please like and subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. Today, I got some more. I told y'all the last video I was gonna have some heat coming, right? Well, the heat has arrived. All right, so let's get into it. It's some serious heat for your feet today. All right, so let's pop it off. Let me do the honors. Woo. Some heat. Some heat. Check it out. All right, here's some heat. Let's get inside the box. Let's get all up in the box. Woo. Let me show you how it comes wrapped. All right, it's a big box. All right, but that's how it comes wrapped. That's how it comes wrapped up. Bada boom, bada bing. All right. So let's get the box out the box. So that's one box down. That's how it comes wrapped. Some more high-end luxury wrapping. All right, so here goes the moment of truth. LV bag. Boom. The LV skate sneaker, green and white, as you can see. Wow. Now, I did a review on the marine blue colorway, maybe about 2 months ago. So you could go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna put it up there in the corner, all right? Check that out. The one difference that I see from the green to the blue is that the green comes with the LV print inside. Wow, can you see that? It comes with the LV print inside. The blue doesn't come with this here. Nah, blue don't come with that. Once again, you can check out that video that I did on the marine blue colorway, but these are dope, I'm telling you. These are fire. I love the laces, like the chunky laces. 2 laces, see? Check it out. 1 sneaker, 2 laces. Chunky laces. Check them out. These are fire, these are dope. The LV, you call it the monograms here. Underneath. We got the Vuitton underneath. Check these out. Tell me how y'all feel about these. These are fire. I love the LV inside. I love this right here. Ooh. Got the suede on the back. 1854. What y'all think about these? LV since 1854. Wow. This is a fire shoe. This is fire. These will run you $1,500. $1,500. Let me go ahead and get the other one out. Let me know what y'all think about these. These are dope. The LV skate shoe. These were actually an online exclusive that dropped on September 21st. They came out September 21st for 48 hours. So from September 21st at around, I think, maybe 9-10 a.m. until September 23rd, around 9-10 a.m. All right, so these were only for a limited time, but they may restock them as a regular release soon. But yeah, look, ooh, check out the monograms inside the shoe. These are dope. Let me know what y'all think about these, because you already know these are fire. Fire. This is some heat. This is some heat. I had to bring it to you. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring it to you. I'm definitely satisfied with these and looking forward to wearing them one of these days. All right, but yeah, I had to bring these to y'all. The LV skate sneaker in the green and white colorway. These were a online exclusive, September 21st to September 23rd, online for only 48 hours. They came out with a yellow pair and a gray pair also. But they have some from the previous release, like the red joints. The red joints are fire. They haven't restocked them yet. I'm waiting for that restock, and as soon as they restock, I'm gonna pick them up and I will bring you the review on those also. All right, so this is some serious heat for your feet. the LV skate sneaker. All right, I won't be doing any skating in these, but I'm gonna put them to good use. All right, so one more look before we go. LV, you got the monogram print inside. Come on, the double chunky shoelaces. Double chunky shoelaces. All right, so yeah, heat for your feet. Stay tuned to the channel. We got more heat coming for you. More heat. We got more giveaways. That Halloween giveaway coming up soon. Stay tuned so I can let you know what that's gonna be. And if you participate in the giveaways that I do on this channel, it's simple and it's easy. Like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and hit my comment section. Not only on this video, for my other videos also. And comment. Love always wins with your sneaker size, all right? In case the next giveaway is gonna be a sneaker giveaway, I wanna have your sneaker size already, all right? So like, subscribe, and comment. Love always wins. All right, so that's what we got for today. Some heat for your feet. And like I said, we got a lot more coming up. A lot more. You know what we do on this channel. We doing good things on this channel. All right. So on that note, I'm out. Peace and God bless.